Hey guys, new day and of course new video about Polymarkets because I'm extremely excited. Right now we have a World Cup and on X, on YouTube, on the news websites you can find so many articles with people making lots of money with prediction markets and especially Polymarkets by being experts in this field or just by copying experts. And of course, if you've been following my channel, I'm all about copy trading, finding insiders, finding professional traders and just simply copy their trades. And today I'm doing this video because KAGE, the platform I covered in my past videos, which is the fastest copy trading bot right now in the market, they launched their free Telegram group where they scanned all the competitor Polymarket copy trading bots and they shared all the best insider and professional trader wallets for free with us. But before we dig deeper, of course, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. It's purely for educational and entertainment purposes. Let's go. So as I mentioned, today we have two topics. It's Polymarket trading, the World Cup, and the second topic is using bots to our advantage. So first of all, of course, if you're watching my channel and if you're subscribed, if not subscribed, I have been talking about this copy trading bot called KAGE because right now it's the fastest copy trading bot in the market and speed in copy trading is extremely important. For example, if a wallet buys, you get a signal and you want to copy this buy. You have to buy as fast as possible to actually lock in the best price because other people also want to copy. So if you buy the next one or even at the same time, you'll make money off people who are using slower bots because they'll buy after you. And the same goes with selling. When the insider sells, you sell at the same time and other guys sell under you. And of course, who buys last and sells last will lose money. Who buys first and sells first makes the most money. That's why I'm always about the speed. But what's really cool, if you jump into the X account, they even have comparisons with other bots. So you can see if you compare to Polycop, Polygon, Creo, and Wager Up Pilot Bot, which I never used, you can see 10 out of 10 times KAGE won, and also 95% of the time it bought the same block as the original wallet. So as fast as possible, you cannot do it faster. And if you close it, under that is the major update I'm talking about. So KAGE launched their Telegram group, which is called Polymarket Insiders, where they scanned all the competitors. They actually scanned Polycop and Creo, and they found the best traders on these platforms. And the best part is they decided to share these wallets with us for free. So if you click on this Telegram group, this is the group. It's actually really new. They posted this just a few days ago. And you can see we have lots of information. People are chatting, but also we have these files. And if you open the file, you will find the statistics, the instructions, also explanation why they are doing it. Basically, you can find these wallets on the competitors, but if you use the competitors, which are slower, you will still lose money to the KAGE users. And if you click under that, you can see Polycop. We got the user address, and you can also see 7-day PNL in USDC. So if you scroll down, we got lots of wallets, so you can do lots of homework. And we also have Creo wallets. Same thing, we have the wallets, the product, and also the PNL in the last 7 days. So basically, they're giving you so much free sauce. I will leave all the links in the description as usual. Again, it's all free. But if you jump into KAGE, I will also explain how to actually use KAGE once you find the wallet. So again, the link in the description for KAGE. If you're using my link, you're helping my channel and also getting the biggest discount on all the fees and everything. So if you go to the KAGE, we have 5 buttons. It's extremely easy. First of all, you sign up. Next up, there's wallets. So you can create as many wallets as you want. If you click new wallet, you can create wallet for each category. So I have one wallet. And of course, before trading, we have to deposit some funds. So click deposit, select what kind of chain and what tokens do you want to deposit. For example, Polygon, this is your wallet, and just add the money to this wallet. When you want to withdraw your winnings, you can click withdraw. And again, you can do it all instantaneous. Next up, once your wallet is ready, we also have some smart money wallets inside the platform. So if you click on it, so first of all, you can select it by time period. So for example, in the past 7 days, I don't recommend you going 30 days because with these wallets, they often change and traders become inactive. So you really want to find some active traders. So 7 days, you can see the settle PNL, win rate, also average investment, volume. And if you click on the wallet, this will open Polymarket where you can actually see all the activity of the trade and active positions. For example, this wallet has no active positions. Let's go back. Also, you can select categories, for example, sport. If you want to look for some World Cup traders, this is actually what I'm doing. I'm looking for some reliable World Cup traders. And of course, these will not be insiders because World Cup is too big to have insiders, but these are going to be people who are expert in this field. They analyze and they give pretty good predictions. And of course, this gives you an edge without doing much research. For example, let's click on this wallet because I think it's active. Yeah, you can see Netherlands will win World Cup, and actually he's up by a lot. So if you want to copy his wallet, copy the address, go back, and the next button is copy trading. This is where you create your copy trading bot. So create a new one, then paste in the address, select which wallet you want to use. You can also tag it. After that, you can select, do you want to trade proportional percentage? For example, 10%. So if the trader trades for $1,000, you will trade 10% of the position, or I would recommend you going fixed amount. So how much do you want to trade per each trade? So for example, if you put in 10 and the original wallet, for example, buys 10,000, you're still trading only 10. After that, you have to select copy, buy, and sell, because if you remove one, you will only buy without selling, and of course, you will lose money. After that, you can select market buys, limit orders. So again, lots of different settings. If you want to learn more, you can click documents right here under that, where you can find all the instructions, or you can watch my past video about KAGE. You can find the link in the description, where I did a full tutorial explaining you all the features and how everything works. But the main goal of this video is KAGE launched this really crazy product, this Telegram group, which is not popular yet. So we are actually pretty, I would say, early, and you can find lots of these wallets. So again, check out the wallets, find some winners, and once you're ready, go back to the KAGE bot, click copy trading, paste in the wallet, and test it yourself. And if you have any questions, of course, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.